So if there is, by default it is inactive, and this one just came out from the box, so you have just to enter your own password. So the password should be one capital letter, lowercase, and number also, and have a special symbol. This is the example, as you see. Okay, so just re-enter the same password, click OK, and then just select English as language. Okay, next. Then there is security questions. Just select the security questions. You can answer your own answers. So this is just example. Click next. IP is static. You can change depending on your network. So just click this same password. So whatever password of the indoor, it will be same on this outdoor. Time, it should be the correct time zone, because this is important. Not check your device time zone is correct. Enable Heat Connect if you want notification from your mobile. So for outdoor, you need to check the model of your outdoor. If you are connecting so many outdoor, it will display here. Okay, and if you have so many indoor screen, it will display also in this section, and you can select. So you just have to wait like until 100%. See, once it's configured, like you can see the live view. Okay, and if someone press here, no, it will ring here. You can answer the call, or you can unlock, or you can end the call.